कम तो नहीं है. Hi guys, I'm back. And let's do some data structures and algorithms. Let's do it. Da, 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 da. लहरा दो का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो लहरा दो का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो Daddy. Dang, I see lead code-chan. Yes, sir. Lead code-chan. I'm gonna cry for two hours now. Yes, sir. Damn, you are trying to get into Google Japan or something. Yeah. Ma, not really. I just want to get into a Japanese startup. But even for that, I need to clear an interview. So, we gotta do lead code. Fuck. Oh. Dang, another month of grind. Well, you did basically the same thing for N2, so you should already be prepared. Yes, sir. I have no idea how am I gonna solve these questions, but just you just have to keep the tabs open and just cry for like 20 or 30 minutes, and then yeah, things just come to your brain. That's how it worked for me. Just do it. Don't let your memes to be dream. What memes to be dream? I'm gonna select this simple one. Okay. I might not be able to write anything for like 10-20 minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna think. Let's see, 69. Okay, we are gonna do it. We'll be doing 69. Question number 69. And watch that for motivation. Don't let your memes to be dream. What? Watch that motivation. 15 years ago video. What video is that? I have no idea. We're doing it with Python. Okay, given a non-negative integer x with given a non-negative integer x and positive integer, search Japanese fisherman motivation. Ah, I know that one. I know that one. Yeah. Don't give up. Akira me kakete iru anata. That's where I get my motivation. Yeah. Given a non-negative integer x, return the square root of x rounded down to the nearest integer. The returned integer should be non-negative as well. So for example, do not use x power. What's a power? Power. X like that in C++ or Python. I don't know. So x4 output to the square root of 4 is 2, so we return 2. Square root of 8 is 2, and since we rounded down to, so let's return 2. How can you do that? Square and root. How do you choose problems from list? Like I just learned about binary search, so I know it's a binary search problem. Like I read about binary search algorithm, and then I just asked ChatGPT to give me the problems for this binary search thing, and it gave me like 10 problems. No, 7 something problems. So I already like one day ago, the day before yesterday, I solved like 2 problems. Now it's my 3rd. Those were easy. This is going to be the last easy. After that I will try to solve like 2 or 3 more medium. If I can. If I were you, I would follow neat code list. Oh, I see neat code bookmark on your tab. I mean, why do you choose 69 problem? That felt random. I mean, you just can't really go with I used ChatGPT. Okay, it gave me this problem. So with the knowledge that I have, ChatGPT said that you can solve this. So that's why. Hope you got your answer. Yeah, it's random. Okay, non-negative integer x. How do you square root? you, you just like divide it by 2 until you really? No. Huh? Nah. Wait a minute, I forgot things. Oh. Just do probably 704 problem lead code. Okay, let me show you something. Here you see that? I've solved 4 problems already. See that? You see that? My submissions. Dang, you're okay. I already did it. Yeah. Just give me time. I know, like one problem, even if it's easy, it's gonna take me almost an hour. Yeah. Good luck with this one. Yeah, I just need to think. I don't want to write anything before. Like, I cannot believe I forgot this. Shit. Oh. Take out your application, your paint application, and write it out. That's also good. Okay, I can write on my screen. I'm not gonna show you like what I'm writing. Can you see that? Oh, that's good. That's good. What's your thought process? Wait a minute. I don't know. Therefore, I have not cannot think of anything right now. Given a non-negative integer x, return the square root of x. Okay, I think I can. Very thick. More. So why? Shut up! What the fuck is this? Please. Okay. Okay, it is going to be 1, 2, 3. This is going to be mid square. That's square. Square. No. Right and left. Right and left. That is number. Close my window. Open again. Shit, okay. left, start with 0. Light is going to be X. And lowercase arms. Arms is going to be 0. Okay, and right here. And there's going to be a light. Let's go. It's going to get stronger. Smaller. Left, right. Left. Close. Right. Plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 3. Off. And right side. And plus 1. 3. 3, 4. Please. It's about left and right. We can have an right, which is going to be an action, like 0, 0 to x, which is going to be the number x, and then that's going to be our answer. Initially we can set it to 0 mind 0. It's a loop. We're gonna run it until the left, right, until the left is until the left is smaller or equal to. Is it this fine? This fine? This fine, right? It's right. You do that or that? Boy. I see. No. No, that is fine. Nanda yo kore. Just like same. First we are gonna find a mid one. Let mid we can find. Yeah, should we find let mid over here. Like it's going to be right and left and right. Midish you can find like that, and then of course it's going to we can round it up, floor like that. If pieces, if left is equal given the non-integer x, return the square root of x, round down the nearest integer, nearest or more than. If the mid of if the mid is smaller or equal to x square, I know. Yeah, if the square is just lower or equal to that, then we can set our answer to just mid. We're gonna set it like that, and then we're gonna move. If it's, for example, it's smaller, it keeps storing it. Smaller. Psst. Psst. If it's going to be smaller, okay, if like that, 1 2 3 4 5, mine is like 5. Okay, I chose this one. So mid is so 1 4. Okay, mid is this one with square. Let's like square is bigger. Like I'll choose like 4 Okay, that's 4. 4 squared is 16. That's big. Right, left. That's bigger. How about the smaller one? Anna! Anna! La, 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 la. Mid, if it's smaller, we need what's gonna happen with the end? And is and right is always x, so that's fine. It's fine. Else we can do else right is going to be right is gonna move mid right left boom boom आप यहाँ आ जाइए ऐसा so that's minus 1 and then we just return the answer. Okay. Muffle fuffera. Please, please, please. Yeah. 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 Felt so random. Surrender. Miranda. 20. 21. 21. 21. April, what day is it? Okay, next question. Push bad version 278. Okay. Which one should we do next? 278. Oh, that's a easy now. Two, 7, 8. What? Whether the version is bad. Definition for bad. What's happening over here now? Oh my lord. Okay. You're a product manager. How am I? You're a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. Since you have n versions, 1n, and you want to find out the first bad one, which cause all the following ones to be bad. You are given an API bool. What's that bool? What? Yeah. You are given an API. Bool is bad version which returns. Okay, you are given is bad version which returns whether version is bad. Impedimento, a function to find the first bad version. You should minimize the number of calls to API. What do you mean by API? What the fuck? What? So call is 3 false, 5 true. I don't get the question. Input is 5 and is going to be 5. Bad is 4. How do you know bad is 4? Bad is 4. Then 4 is the first. N is 5. 5, 3 false. 3 is not bad. Oh, no, 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 no. Return function N. Left is always 0. Let right is going to be and -1. Please, please, please don't prove I'm wrong and don't prove me wrong. Okay, right. Let mid is going to be. Is it okay to do like that? It can be like that, okay? Yes, sir. And then mid ki maa ka. Okay, why do I have these? I don't know. I can just have this instead of that one. I don't know. Why did I have that open? Mid. Mid is going to be math dot floor right left plus right, my boy, divided by 2. जब से दीवाना हुआ, जब से बेगाना हुआ, जब भी दीवाना जब भी दीवाना लगे हमसे तेरे जब से दीवाना हुआ, जब भी बेगाना हुआ, जब भी दीवाना लगे. You are a product manager and currently leading a and total versions, the first bad version. Now you are a product manager and currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your product fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after the bad version are also bad. Suppose you are n versions. You have n versions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to find out the first bad one, which cause all the following ones to be bad. You are given an API bool. Bool is bad version. Ah. 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 Okay, sorry. Bool is bad version which returns version is bad. Implement a function to find the first bad version. You should minimize the number of calls to the API. Ah, bool, it is bad version. Okay, no. Bool. What are you doing? It's bad version. Okay, I can have a pen. I have a pen. Copy pen. Okay. Is bad version. Can I do like that? Call or 3. Okay, so here if it's false, true. Okay, bad is 4. Okay, we are given like that. Okay, 5 and 4 is bad version. Function is bad version, so it will be like it is bad version. Is bad version, and this okay, like 4. So okay, and okay, and is this, and is this. Oh, I think this is simple. I can do it. Be like 1 2 3 4 5. 3 is we're gonna choose first, and then we're gonna see if it's true. If it's going to be true, if it's not true, you know what, if it's not true first, if it's not true, then over left is going to be made +1. And can I small it, I mean, can I small it, you know, small nanda kore. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, and then we have like 3 to 4 and then 5 we have. We go with the 4 1. 4 1 still not true. Then moves to the 5. 5. Okay, no. 4 1 becomes true. Else. So our answer. Okay, let me erase that. And that's our answer. Answer becomes okay, answer. Oh guys, answer. We're gonna set it to we're gonna set it to mid. Okay, and we'll run it until that, and the right moves to right bitch is gonna move to mid -1. Yeah, let me try that. Is Babylon is bad where copy paste if it's the bad version. Nani. Okay, this if it's okay, if it's not this, if it's not true, is it okay? Then our left goes to is gonna go to mid +1. Mid +1. Okay, else, I mean we can have a else if. Okay, let's have a else if, but we don't really need to. So if it's true, like you can just have an else. You just be like else if. Then it's going to be that. But before that, let me that's our answer. Okay, we're gonna set our answer to every time when it comes to this condition, it's gonna set our answer to the mid rule. I hope so. I hope it's right. And what should it return? And then that's a function, so it's gonna return mane code yeah, it's gonna return. That's a bit annoying. Yeah, it's gonna return an answer. Please. Oh, that's totally wrong. Oh, ma, okay, that's 5. Okay, let's go through it. Okay, if, but let's just remove that. Okay, maybe it's chance. And you know what, if it's not true, we can have that. It's still not gonna change anything. Expected is 4. We are outputting 0. God damn you. 1 is bad. There you go, 0. What's wrong with you, bitch? Okay, sorry. Okay. Mane. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is gonna go like that. Bum 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 bum. If is, if yes true. Is it okay to be like that? If yes true. Can I console log it? Yeah. Is bad version. Can I do that? I wanna see that. You cannot? Whatever. What the hell is that? You cannot do console logs. If it's true and not true. Left plus 1. Yeah, shit. I thought it was right. It's not. Oh. Either it can be true. Oh, wow, that's wrong. Why is it? Okay, then let me do it again. Okay, 5. Here we get the 5. Okay, maybe it's this way. अरे यार क्या है Okay, that's going to be 5. Let me write it down. Let me write it again. Let me write. Let me do some righty. Okay, 5 is the number. 3 goes first. 3 goes here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We chose 3. Okay, 3 goes here. Okay, not true. Not true becomes true. I mean, it's okay. First bad version is 4. So input is 5 and bad is 4. We go to 3. We get the false. If that's false, then we move or left 1 2 3 left, or left is gonna move to 4. Left is gonna move to 4, so we have 4 and 5 now. Okay, now we take the 4 now. 4 goes here. Ah, I got it. Bitch, I got it. 4 goes here. 4 is not true. 4 is true, so no. Should go here. Fucking hell. Nande. You know what I'm gonna do? Like, I'm gonna do like this. Please do something. I'm tired. Let's do like 10. Let me see, like, if it's actually gonna give me 10 or what. The output is fucking 0. How the fuck is 0? How is it 0? Output expected is 4. How am I getting 0? Oh, that's so cool. What am I? I should wait a second. Wait a sec. That's, oh my lord, that's going to be mad. Oh, are you a maid? Are you a maid? I'm gonna die. Mama, I did it, Mama, I did it. Good. Oh, mine is here. 6.49% solutions used. Good. That says good. So good. That says good. So good. Okay, we still have time. Coco eating bananas. Eat my banana. Okay, 162. Let's do 162. Ah, that's a medium. Oh, if I can solve this, I'll become a god. It's an array and binary. Arrays I know, and binary I just learned. So a peak element is an element that is strictly greater than its neighbors. Strictly greater than its neighbors, given a zero indexed integer array nums. Given a zero indexed integer array nums, find a peak element and return its index. If the array contains multiple peaks, return the index to any of the peaks. Given a zero indexed integer array nums, find a peak element and return its index. We need to return an index. Okay. If the array contains multiple peaks, return the index of any of the peaks. So whatever, any of the peaks. Okay, you may imagine that nums -1 and nums n is like that. In other words, an element is always considered to be strictly greater than a neighbor that is outside the array. You must write an algorithm that runs in O log n time. You may imagine that nums -1 is equal to nums n equal to minus. In other words, an element is always considered to be strictly greater than a neighbor. An element is always considered to be strictly greater than a neighbor that is outside the array. Always considered to be strictly greater than a neighbor that is outside the array. Okay. Nums 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh my lord. We're gonna have to sort it first. Okay. We gotta have to sort this first. Sorry. Explanation. 3 is a peak element and your function should return the index 2. Nums 1 to 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. 3. Your function can return either index number 1 where the peak element is 2 or index number 5 where the peak element is 6. Your function can either return the index number 1 where the peak element is 2 or index number 5 where the peak element is 6. Ooh, return its index. Okay, a peak element is strictly element that is strictly greater than its neighbors. Okay, so the elements on the right and left side both are lower than this one. Okay, yeah, for binary it's binary search, so I need a sorted array, I guess. Do I don't think I need that. You know, like you for binary search you need sorted array, but here we're comparing like that. If we don't need anything. Okay, let we're gonna like left is gonna be 0. These are our indexes. Okay, right is going to be n plus 1 and minus 1. Shut up, you buckety. Okay, and then that's all. Mid is also going to be index. The mid is also an index. Okay, and then let answer. We don't need an answer. Okay, let's guess. We make a guess. Okay, like that, and then our loop is gonna run while the left is lower or equal to the right. If left is equal, what kind of is it okay? Sure, yeah. If left is smaller, isn't it smaller already? If it's smaller and equal to, is it smaller? It is smaller already. Smaller and equal to, smaller or equal to, whatever, ma'am, who cares? Mid is going to be math dot floor la ferrura die thinking about I am your daddy. I think about you. Da, 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 da. I think about you. Left plus right is going to be yeah. It's gonna be 2. Okay, you had no, I didn't do that. I didn't submit it yet. I'm not submitting it. I'm gonna make it. Okay, so if we're gonna have some conditions, okay, that's, let's write down the template. Write it down, boy. We're gonna have else is fine, you know. Okay. Ah, my lord. I'm not submitting it, you idiot. Idiot. Okay, so it's going to be like, okay, if or guess is going to be here every time. The guess is gonna change to guess what. No. Guess is going to be like, it's going to be that, and then we're gonna have a mid. Okay, if our guess is bigger, okay, if our guess is bigger, than, if our guess is bigger than the nums mid -1, and I don't know what is this. I don't know. Allah. Let me see, man. Just write something. And if our guess is nums mid is u, so mid +1, mid +1, like that. We can just return. What should we return? We can return the mid. We're gonna return mid. Else yes, else if, okay, there we're gonna have like a few more conditions this time. If the guess is one case, like if the guess is smaller, the nums mid -1, guess is smaller, guess is going to be smaller, we need big, boom, left is gonna move mid +1, else right is gonna move and then we just got this, Others should do it. La 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 la. I. I. Oh Allah. Ah, ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待って。ちょっと待って。N minus 1, what is that? Where you ask me what is that? Nums dot length minus 1, that's what it is. Oh, okay. We satisfy one condition, so that I'm happy with that. Okay. Mane. Okay, for this one. We go over here. Okay, 3 3 2. 3 is going to be the one. Okay, 3 goes here. 3 goes here. Of course it's wrong. Okay, 3 goes here. Guess is 3, and 3's minus 1 is smaller. 3 is greater. Good. But 3 is not greater. 3 is not greater than this one, so that's a fail. We go to this. If 3 is this, okay, we go to this. Okay, if guess is or guess is smaller than midnight minus 1, that's not true, but it's smaller than this one, so right. But our guess is smaller than plus 1, so our right goes here. 1 to 1, 2 is the one. Okay, expect output 1, expected. What do you mean? Is it okay or it is wrong? 0 1 expected. Now output is 1, expected 5. I mean, that's also like you can get anything, so that's, yeah, like your function can return either index number 1 whether the peak. Okay, so that's also good, like that's fine, but undefined we are getting over here. That's, we got the 2, but it's not sorted. Nah, it's not fucking sorted. Wade me wa guzo. Okay, we go to 2 directly. Okay, that's going to be 2. This is wrong. We move to 3 and then 1. 3 is going to be should it not return 1 2 0 1 2? So what's happening in my code? Okay, this is I take the 2 over here. Okay, my like 2 is the first one. Okay, sir. No, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, 2 is going to be, so my length is 1 2 3 4. This is my array. Okay, 1 2 3 1. 2 is what I got. 2 is going over here. That's my 2. So I'm comparing 2 to, if 2 is bigger than nums mid minus 1, so mid was 1 minus 1 to 0, so this and then and it's bigger. Okay, first condition true, then I go to this condition. Okay, 2, is it bigger than the 3 over here, which is this? Okay, that's wrong. Ta-da! Heart. This goes in the gutter. Okay, this condition. This condition is guttered. Then we go to this. So what was my case? So minus 1. No, this is also guttered. Guttered. Okay. Guttered. Is it? Wait a minute. Is it guttered? Okay, my guess is 2, and then my guess is it smaller than 1? That's guttered. That's guttered. Now I'm left with only one thing, which is right. Majikayo. Nandatte ba yo. Nani ga atta to shite mo. Oh my lord. ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待ってください。ちょっと待って。ちょっと。あんた。ちょっと。Okay. Okay, my condition goes over here. If my guess is lower than previous one, which is 1, lower, if my guess is going to be lower, so it should be, my left is gonna shift to +1. Left one can become mid. But here, like, that was not the case. So my right became right. This is my right. Okay, so my right, actually what was my right? Okay, then my right became my mid. Where is my mid? My mid is 2. 2 minus 1. 1. Nani ga atta to shite mo. Yeah. Okay, if the left becomes only 2, mid, left is gonna become, okay, that's not true. Okay, that's not true. Right becomes, what was right though? Right was and. Okay, right becomes my mid. Mid is going to be 2. Right is going to be 2. अबे यार क्या है? Right is going to be 2. It should be fucking 3. My lord. This is not good. I'm doing this. Oh wow. Time ran out. Naniga ata de shoka. Nani de shoka. Okay. We do like, okay, we change the condition a little bit. Okay, if the guess is bigger, if the guess is going to be bigger, like here, if the guess is going to be bigger, here we choose like 3 not right, it's going to be 2. Guess is that we found it already. Then we, okay, let's have like this, okay, let's have this, okay, let's have this 1 2 क्या है ये 1 2 3 1 1. Okay, so now I choose 3. I go with 3. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I go with 2. Okay, I'm gonna go with 2. My 2 is bigger than my 1, and my 2 is bigger than my 3. That's wrong. First condition goes in the gutter. Oh yeah. First condition is guttered. Then we have the second one. I changed it. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, I'm gonna clear it. Okay, now my this is okay. Okay, now I'm gonna say again, if my 2 is bigger than mid minus 1, that's true. Yo, I have my 2 is shorter than 1. Okay, like okay, let me do it again. Oh my lord, this time is okay. Oh, my 2 is smaller than my nums minus 1, this 1. That's true. That's going to be true. That's going to be true. So my left, which was this was my left and this is my right. Okay, and this is my mid for now. My left becomes my mid. Okay, left goes over here. Fuff. That should do something. Shouldn't it? Shouldn't it? Don't wait there. Oh my lord. Oh me lord. Oh me lord. Okay. What? Oh me lord. Shut up. Okay, that. Okay. That was okay. So this time what I'm doing is I should not do that. +1. No, I should only set it to this. And this is going to be this only. Maybe. Chatto matte. Once again. Okay, if it's going to be that, so this one becomes okay. My 2 is smaller than 1. That's false. So no, that doesn't happen. So that means my 2 is bigger than 1. Like here a condition. Okay, 2 is bigger than 1. So that's gonna make the right to be -1. Mid. Yeah. I can still do it. Okay, I think that'll be better. Let's just okay, let's do it. You know what? Let's just switch this thing like that. Let's just switch the thing like that, and let's hope that it's all right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna run my calculations again. Okay, the first condition is already false. Okay, we don't care about that. Now, if my guess is middle 2. Okay, if my mid 2 is bigger than my this one, bitch, this is wrong. -1. Okay, that's true. That should be. Is it? Taste the thunder. This should be about this one, not with this one. +1. I'm gonna do it +1. Now if my this is bigger than, that is false. So that means I have this. My left is gonna move to my mid +1. That is going to be 3. That is wrong. So I will only do it. What if I do it like that, mid only? Okay, now my mid becomes this. So this is my mid now. Okay, I'm gonna choose different color. This is my this is my L now. This is my R now. Okay. Okay, I don't like the color. This is my L now, and that is my R now. Okay, and this is going to become my mid. Now oh, that's okay. That should work. That should work. Yeah. Wow. Mama, I did it. Mama, I did it. I did it, Mama. Okay. I knew it. It was not going to be like that. If I'm gonna run that one, that is going to be, yeah, this. Of course. And if I, for some reason, like I do only this one, this should money. What about this one? Hi. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love bleep. Love. Hi. Arigatou gozaimashita. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Mommy. Even if it's right, it's not right. Even if it's right, it's not right. Wow. Two cases passed, 73 test cases. Oh my lord. What the fuck is that? What the fuck do I do with this? Mommy. All submissions, not yet. Only two. One analyst is left. Analyze, please. What, my lord? What in the lord? What in the Lord's name is this? That's wrong. Current complexity ON. Efficiency. Approach is binary, but efficiency is ON. I need O log N. मतलब मैं क्या करूँ भाई, मैंने तो ऐसा ही किया ना, मेरी गलती थोड़ी ना है. Oh, if I plus it, then I don't think Papa. Oh, that also work. Oh,どういうことWhat? That also works. Okay. I want to run my simulation again. Okay. No. Here. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 ちょっと待って Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Here 2 is going to be my mid, okay? That's my L. That's my L. That's my R. That's my M. Now when I do this, so my 2, is it greater than 1? True. And my 2, is it greater than my 3? That's wrong. So first condition, gutterized. Yes. First condition, no. Now else if we go, is my guess 2 is bigger than 3? That's also wrong. Okay, that means or left, which is here. Okay, this is my left, it becomes plus 1, so my left goes plus 1, so left mid plus 1, 3. Oh, 3 becomes my 3 becomes my left. Now mid, my mid plus 1. Chotto matte. My mid plus 1. That makes my left to be this. So this is my left and this is my right now. Oh. So that's in Okay, now I'm gonna compare my two Janeo. Okay, and now this is my left is my 3 and 1 is my right. Okay, so my right my 3, is it bigger than my 2? That's right. And my 3, is it bigger than my 1? That's right. So first condition right, I get that. Both like the other two conditions are like gutter, go gutter like that, and then the language in which I explain my code, my solution is very good. It's very vulgar, but yeah, we solved 3 questions. The first question was a bit, I don't know, like was thinking a bit in like mathematics kind of terms. So yeah, I kind of cheated for the first one, to be honest. Yeah, so it's like 70% I cheated. So but for the other 2 ones I did them on my own. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. That was it for this one. I hope tomorrow we can solve more questions like this. We solved 3 questions today, so that was good. That was fine. I loved it. I'm gonna start a reading stream now. Bye bye.